Another edition of ADS Roundtable. Today we have Neil Canning with Canning Orthodontics here in Kansas City, Missouri.
I'm Neil Canning. I'm an orthodontist, and I'm the owner of Canning Orthodontics in Liberty, Missouri.
I thought it would just be kind of fun if I just got Neil on here just so we could talk about the benefits, if you will, of the contactless temperature scanner. And I'm kind of the first piece of this is basically, Dr. Canning, what motivated you to get the contactless temperature scanner?
We were using forehead thermometers, running people out to the car and sticking the thermometer in the car to take their temperature and hiring people to do that. And you suggested the contactless one, and we tried it, and it's great.
So kind of along that, what has been the added benefit?
We hired extra people to take temperatures. So we had college students and high school students that was their job, was to take temperatures and guide people in. So less employees.
Right.
They all went back to school. They all had to go back to school. So it replaced 2 people really. And then the other added benefit is people have told us how weird it was reaching into the car and pointing the thermometer at their head. They said that was just awkward, and they think it's cool. And our office is kind of high tech, and we have computers and digital stuff everywhere, so it just fits with it. One of the things that we kept running into, especially this summer, is we'd go out to the car and people will have been sitting in their car for a little bit, and they'd have 101 temperature, and it was because the car was hot and outside was hot. So having it inside the door has actually been an added benefit too, where it's more controlled in here. So no, it's been a lot more accurate, and it's streamlined our process a lot too. Being able to call people in instead of send people out and back and forth, it's made it a lot less work. What will we do when this is over? I don't think it'll hurt to take temperatures on people, especially in the winter months. We used to work on people if they were sick and let people in, but it probably wouldn't hurt and keep us all healthier if we take temperatures. So I don't know, we might keep doing it.
Right, and I think there's a certain a certain sense of peace of mind that goes along with that.
Yeah.
And kind of, and everybody that knows Canning Orthodontics knows how important your employees and what an environment and a culture you guys have created there. And that just sort of speaks to how you always want to protect your employees just as much as your patients. So.
Yeah, and it is something that honestly we hadn't thought about before. I guess if there's good things that come out, there will be good things that come out of COVID, but one of them is just being aware of how to keep everybody healthy.
Right.
If this helps, then we'll probably keep doing it.